I fear 3 newspapers, more than 100,000 bayonets. If you're not careful, the newspaper will have you hating the people who are being oppressed and loving the people who are doing the oppressing. Not surprisingly, many people would be asking themselves the same question I have asked: what actually makes the media so powerful? It is simple their ability to tell that story which everyone else would not tell, or is it the manner in which they tell this ordinary story? One anonymous author pointed out that if you don't read the newspaper, you are uninformed. If you do read the newspaper, you are misinformed. Could it then be that the great men feared the media not because it could tell a story, but because of the power it had in misrepresenting the facts? Whatever the case, it is a truism that the media has power, whether for good or for evil. It is, however, my subjective view that whatever power the media had has been on a steady decline, and before long they will have just as much power to impact one society as reading strange tales from the Arabian Night has.